I used to practice live shots in front of the mirror a long time ago, and I always felt so odd doing that. It just didn't feel natural. In my experience, the real learning comes from the real thing, turning on the camera, seeing the red light, getting nervous, and trying to figure out what to say when you don't know what you're going to say. I always encourage my clients to do just that, to practice for real. If you're going to rehearse something, actually record the practice session and watch it back. If you're going to practice going live, actually do the live video, maybe in a secret Facebook group that includes you and a close friend, but practice for real. Because when you do that, you'll get better and you'll grow in confidence.